2008 Nissan Micra. It won't start. Nothing happens. Battery is fine, so it's had a new starter motor recently, so I think the first thing we'll do is go underneath and have a look at that. Cool, done up top.
Not entirely sure why this sort of jury rig of cables happened in the first place, but basically this butt crimp, which has an eyelet on it, which connects to this white cable here, has failed in the crimp. Maybe it wasn't crimped properly. It did also have a little bit of tape over it, and obviously it's come loose. So as you can see, I've just trimmed off the end of that cable there, just so that I can put my butt crimp on it. Hopefully it's not too long. If it is, I can trim it. It's kind of like a bit nerve-wracking working with a cable that short, because you don't want to cut off too much. But now I stand in with a good chance of just crimping those two straight together, and then hopefully she'll run and know the damage was caused by the loose collection / no connection. So there's my repair. I have crimped it on, I've heat shrunk it, and now we just connect up the battery and hope that it starts. Hope. So on a car like this, where the coolant tank is almost impossible to tell how much is in it, I like to just do a little pressure test on the system, so I will leave that do its thing for a second while I check the oil. Oil seems very, very low. So we've done our repair, we've crimped it on, heat shrunk it, and moment of truth, disconnected the battery and reconnected it up, and there we go. Happy days. She runs, and I call that fixed.